Discover True Leicester, where introverts thrive in a haven of solitude and serenity. Nestled in the heart of Leicester, this student accommodation offers a range of cozy studios and one-bedroom apartments, providing the perfect sanctuary for moments of quiet reflection. Dive into a world of features designed to enhance your living experience. From shared bathrooms and kitchens to the added perks of car parking, mental health support, and a fully equipped gym with fitness classes. Immerse yourself in the vibrant community atmosphere with regular events, unwind in the courtyard, or catch the latest flick in the cinema. With high-speed Wi-Fi and modern bathroom fittings included, every aspect of True Leicester is tailored to elevate your student experience. Just a stone's throw away from Leicester College and a short ride to Montfort University, convenience meets comfort at True Leicester. Step outside and explore a culinary paradise, with top-rated restaurants like Altro Mondo and Sarah Mangle, just a stroll away. Come home to discover the true meaning of comfort and convenience. Visit amberstudent.com today and make yourself at home at True Leicester.